Now for our featured story of the day. The total crypto market cap is primed to explode by over 44x to $100 trillion, according to the macro guru, Raoul. Let's break this baby down, as you can see in the headline right here. So yeah, macro guru and the Real Vision CEO, Raoul says the total crypto market cap primed to skyrocket to a staggering $100 trillion. In a new interview on the Blockworks Macro YouTube channel, the former Goldman Sachs exec says if the digital asset industry continues on with the same rate of growth, its total market cap will shoot up about 44x in less than 10 years. And according to Powell, the explosion of the total market cap in crypto assets is going to be the greatest wealth generating opportunity ever. Do you hear that? It's going up forever, Melda. Quoting him here. It is a $2.5 trillion market cap today, now even less after the dip. If we just extrapolate out the trend rate of the growth, it gets to $100 trillion by about 2032. So this is the biggest wealth generating opportunity in all human history. Let me know if you agree with that sentiment, and very bold words there. The total market cap is sitting at $2.24 trillion at this time, according to the CoinGecko. The macro guru notes that the traders should be wary of adopting a tribal mentality when it comes to digital assets and taking on maximum risk. As he shares here, our job within this is now not to get philosophical and tribal about what to invest and screw it up. Our job is to maximize the opportunity to the best that we can. And that's a balance of how you take risk, because a lot of people go max 10 risks. No. Look, if it is going from $2.5 trillion to $100 trillion, you don't need to take max risks. You can just capture the bulk and then do it a bit of the tail on the side. Powell goes on to say that most of his crypto portfolio, remember earlier I said I'd reveal what his latest portfolio allocation is? Well, here we go. His portfolio is in smart contract platforms such as Ethereum rival Solana, and he believes it and other alts have more upside potential than the King Crypto BTC. Quoting Raoul, 90% of my liquid net worth is basically allocated right now to Solana. I'm going to repeat that one time. 90% of my liquid net worth is basically allocated right now to Solana. It's hard for me to fathom that, but to each their own. I don't have much Bitcoin right now. Doesn't mean I don't like Bitcoin. I just think the others go up more. Simple as that. So that's pretty wild, because, he must be very wealthy. I mean, he's the macro guru, for Christ's sake. But to have 90% of your liquid assets, liquid net worth in Solana, a Sam coin, that just shows you how bullish he is on Solana. Personally, I'm not a fan of Solana. However, teach their own. I know many of you are bullish on Solana. So let me know your thoughts with him having 90% of his portfolio in a Sam coin. I find that, again, mind-boggling, but hey, to each their own. Tis what it is. And to watch the video, he did recommending, not recommending it, but revealing his allocation, as well as projecting Bitcoin hitting 100, not Bitcoin, but the crypto market cap hitting 100 trillion market cap. Check the show notes below the video in the description. Now, clearly, the Bitcoin market cap is only like 1 trillion, like ballpark. So for Bitcoin to hit 100 trillion would be 100x from here. But for crypto, it's a modest 44x because it's just above 2 trillion at today's prices. Now, clearly, if the market cap rose like that, we could all speculate Bitcoin. I mean, if the market cap 100x from here, or let's just say 50x, then Bitcoin has the potential to 50x in price action. So we got to keep that in mind as well. Scan the QR and buy the dip. Smash the like button and hodl for life, family. Thank you, fam. Sold to zero, says Muhammad. Yeah, so Bankman-Fried allegedly is still recommending Solana to the prison guards and the inmates. It's funny. Sorry. He bought Solana super low prices. That's why it's 90% now. That would make sense, clearly, if he was an early adopter and that overgrew the most of his portfolio. So good point. Solana dominance in 2030 could be 25% of the market. That would be, whoa, if that actually happened. Where are we at now? Let me look at Solana on the coin market cap. I'll read it out loud to you, see where we're at. So right now, Solana is number 5 by market cap, and it looks like just 2 billion, right? Well, that's the volume, my bad. The market cap is 66 billion. So right now, Solana is at 66 billion market cap, which is pretty high. I mean, it's right under BNB. Clearly, Bitcoin is number one with 1.1 trillion. Then Ethereum is at 369 billion. Then we have Tether, number 3 at 112 billion. And then we have BNB at roughly 78 billion. And then Solana is currently number 5, sitting at 66 billion. And below that, number 6, USDC, the stablecoin, is all the way down at 33 billion. And then below that, we have XRP with roughly 25 billion. And those prices are as per CoinMarketCap right now, live and in the flesh. Welcome, family, to the live Q&A segment of the stream. Technology of Solana is amazing. I am also very convinced because I've used it in projects with extreme huge data sets. Mohammed says during price discovery, Solana will go to practically zero. Guarantee. It is the next FTX. Well, damn. I took a sick day and I still got called in. Damn, Dankness, you being for real? What's up with that? They want you in sick? Okay, get everyone else sick while you're at the work. Do what you got to do. Solana will be a black hole for the technical application of the blockchain. Sam will soon be called Samantha. Maybe they're already calling him Samantha. You feel me? I hear he's selling his what is he trading? His rice. That's the new currency in the prison. He's allegedly getting rice and beans, and he's eating the beans for protein. Big, smart move. You don't want to eat the rice. There's no protein in that. In fact, rice has really no health properties for you. But anyways, Sol is legit, guys. The tech is solid. Been battle tested. Been upgraded on the Fire Dancer upgrade, and the DEX is doing massive volume that outstrips everything, says JK. Holla at your boy. You feel me? Melda keeping it gangster. Feel better, DD? Get some rest, broski. You probably need a few days to recover from food poisoning. So, but we're still pumping. 58.2. I think 60 G's is around the corner. Bitcoin. But I don't sweat it because it's just pathetic to let it get me involved in that sell on the dip crowd sell on the dip crowd dip sell dope sell. No. Yeah, rice is garbage because it's bleached. It's not even natural. It's bleached. It's no good. It's good for filling you, but it has no nutritional properties that I'm aware of. If you're gonna eat natural rice, like a regular non-bleached rice, like a grain rice, I forget what they're called. The wild grain rice or the brown rice is better for you, but I highly doubt they're health conscious in prison. In fact, a lot of inmates get cancer and all sorts of ish because the food is poison and the water you're drinking is poison. And go figure. It's probably heavily fluorinated and all that, so it's kind of sad. I'll take my soul wins into BTC. Word. Mohammed says your 40,000 Bitcoin estimation for loading up is more likely, but also only 20%. Mohammed's been calling it for a hot minute virtually every day here on the stream. You never know. You never know. We may just bounce, though. We may be at 70,000 return to price discovery before you know it here in July. So be prepared for all scenarios, fam. And if you get the opportunity to buy on a dip, seize the moment and count your blessings.